Hi everyone, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and today I'm taking you with me to Dollarama to check out all the spectacular new Halloween stuff. There are so many cool things, but one of my favorites that I spotted while shopping today is this crystal ball that lights up. It's $4 and looks fantastic when it's lit up and flashing. I love this one. These webs are great and were super popular last year. I really like oversized items that are inexpensive and large enough to make a big impact. The large skeletons they have this year are fantastic, and these ghosts that are 4 feet tall look awesome blowing in the wind. They go quick every year, so grab them when you see them. I actually love things that light up and add to the spooky Halloween ambiance. These lanterns are a great size, and I think they are new this year. I also spotted these fun new lights. And don't forget to check out the candle section too. The flickering battery operated tea lights are perfect for Halloween and they're super cheap. I use them a lot for DIYs. Check out how great they look with the lampshade ghosts I crafted last week. Dollarama is a great place to pick up budget-friendly treats too. These chocolate peanut butter pumpkins are my favorite. And these Harry Potter kisses are so cute and new this year. You should also pick up these Dollarama suckers. You can easily transform them into ghosts by covering them with Kleenex, securing with a piece of twine, and adding googly eyes. You can also wrap Dollarama chocolate bars in white streamers, add googly eyes, and create adorable little mummy chocolate bars. Cute, right? Every year, there's a large variety of inexpensive home decor options, and this year is no exception. I spotted these cute cauldron mugs, and I think they are sweet. They'd be great for a tiered tray or for serving hot chocolate after trick or treating. I love adding decals to mugs too. Here's a DIY I did for my boys last year. There really is a lot of different decor this year. Last week I spotted this pink and orange eyeball garland, and I'm obsessed with how cute it is. I also love these witch and mummy hand votive holders. They are really great quality for the price. I bought one of these creepy baby heads too and popped it onto a painted Dollarama candle holder. I also spotted these little light up ghosts, and I think they're super cute and fun. I'm a sucker for anything that lights up. And there are so many fantastic and inexpensive signs this year. You are going to have trouble buying just one. You'll also want to grab pumpkin carving kits, stencils, and decals. There are a lot of great options this year. And if you're crafty, Dollarama is a jackpot for inexpensive craft supplies. I love these wooden ghosts, cats, and pumpkins. Last year I DIY'd the cat, so I'm going to try one of the other options this year. What do you think I should do, the ghost or the pumpkin? I also picked up this macrame ghost kit. I can't wait to try it and show you the finished product. I think it's really cute. And finally, Dollarama has all the supplies you need to create the perfect costume on a budget this year. Stop in and take a look. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I hope you like this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. See you next time. Bye.